Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead.
What's good, Tampa Bay and the whole state of Florida? Neg Kreyol Incorporated is proud to present to you an event that is backed by popular demand.
White Noise. Celebrating Leaders of the Future is an all-white formal event in which we'll also be celebrating our 5 years in existence, empowering Haitian men.
This event will entail exquisite catered Haitian food, honoring Haitian leaders within the community, revealing future humanitarian projects in Haiti, awarding the Neg Kreyol Scholarship recipient, and showcasing live performances through dance, music,
I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 + 1 = 2.
and presentations.
This dinner banquet will be held at the University of South Florida on February 22nd, 2014 at the Ballroom, starting precisely at 7:30 p.m.
Immediately succeeding the dinner banquet is the all-white after party at Alice Haitian Cuisine on Fletcher.
Be sure to purchase your tickets in advance, as this will surely be a sold-out event. Advance tickets include the dinner banquet and after party for just $15. Please contact us using the email or phone number at the bottom of your screen, info@negkreyol.org, or call us at 813-863-5728.
Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody.
JRR Studios specializes in turnkey video, photo, and TV production services. Call 813-384-8502.